used it. So this session is all about how to use a Notion tool, starting from the basics. So I'd like to share a presentation. This was mainly focused on joinees. So you're able to see the presentation now?
Yes, Prabhu, we are able to see. Tandat Pranam Devaki Prabhu joining early.
Yes.
You're able to see the presentation?
Yes, Prabhu.
Yes?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so we start. Notion is GBC's chosen tool for evaluating, voting, and passing proposals. So to begin with, what is Notion? Notion is a productivity and workspace software that combines notes, documents, databases, task management, wikis, calendars, project tracking in one app. Instead of using separate tools and for notes and to-do lists, Notion provides a facility to do all of it in a single app. So to have basics of Notion, so we can see in Notion there are workspaces. A workspace in Notion is like your main digital office or home where all your databases, pages, notes, and projects live. So we can think of it this way. Workspace is like an office. Each database is like different department for specific type of work. Then pages are like projects and members like people who can work on these projects.
Hare Krishna Babu, maybe you can go on to the next slide.
So deputy workspace. Yeah. So deputy workspace, workspace for deputies and GBCs. A GBC body is created by His Grace Aniruddha Prabhu, which has a GBC database containing information
the presentation
pertaining to the GBC body and pardon?
Harish, the presentation view is not seen, only the general view is seen. Yes, Prabhu. I think when you share the screen, yeah, I think the PPT screen.
So from the beginning you were not able to see, or now you are
not able to see, but in between what happened was we are able to see the PPT, the PowerPoint only, not the presentation view. Or you can just share the entire screen also, it's okay.
But we didn't see anything from the beginning. What is Notion? What's the workspace? All this. We heard you, but we couldn't see.
Yeah.
Okay.
The presentation view has to be shared.
Presenter.
Maybe you can stop share fully and then again. Yes, now it's okay.
Yeah.
Now it's okay.
You're able to see now? Is it visible now?
Yes, Prabhu. Go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is actually designed in such a way that even if somebody doesn't have any idea about Notion, so they should be able to understand. So most of you have idea, but still I'll just go through the presentation. So Notion is GBC's chosen tool for evaluating, voting, and passing proposals. So what is Notion? In gist is a productivity and workspace software that combines notes, documents, databases, task management, wikis, etc. in a single app. So workspaces. A workspace in Notion is like your main digital office or home where all your databases, pages, notes, and projects live. So we can actually think of a workspace like an office, whereas the databases are different departments, like we have a GBC database. in Anuruddh Prabhu's workspace. Like in Anuruddh Prabhu's office, there is GBC database. So then there are pages wherein we have different proposals in our context, and members, as in we, who go through the proposals, make comments, and work on these projects. So deputy workspace for deputies and GBC body is created by His Grace Aniruddha Prabhu, which has a GBC database containing information pertaining to the GBC body and the proposals to be discussed. The workspace is shared with the deputies to express their opinions through comments. PMIs are nothing but plus, minus, and interesting points about a proposal being discussed. And then it is followed by deputy voting. Then work done by the deputies in this workspace is shared with the GBC body, and presentation is given during GBC meetings to view, discuss, and give straw votes, followed by final votes to pass or reject the proposals. So when Aniruddha Prabhu shares this GBC database with us in Notion, so we'll be able to see. So on the left hand side, we see that there is a shared GBC database. If you click on that, so this is the GBC database view, which we get to see, which is having GBC proposals, people, committee, votes, PMI, comments, etc. So then next, when we click the drop down of the GBC proposals, we get to see these different views for the proposals. What we have to do next is click on this more options and select the presentation view. This is the view in which we were working during our meetings. So once we click on the presentation view, we get to see all the GBC proposals like this. So we see the proposal number on the left. Like for identifying candidates for Samadhi, we see D2618A. That is the number of the proposal. And likewise, there is a stage of the proposal also. Straw vote, deputy PMI vote, like that. So these are the different proposals. So as we move the cursor on these proposals, so the open button pops up. Like we see here, when the cursor of the mouse will go to identifying Samadhi, and open button will appear here. We just have to click that open button. When you click that, we get to see proposal opened like this. So next thing what we have to do is we have to go through the proposal, read it, then read the whereases, which identify the main points of the proposal, and followed by the resolution being presented in the proposal. So after reading and discussing, we scroll down to the bottom where we see comments, PMIs, voting. So comments are nothing but comments can be given by anybody actually. Even the GBCs may post their comments about these proposals even before we get to see these proposals. And anybody who has access, they can make comments, which many times help us in understanding these proposals and give us different perspectives on the proposal. So what we have to then do is either we can make comments or put the plus, minus, or interesting points about this proposal. So next is comments. So to see the comment or add a comment, we just have to click on this comment, and then this will come. So here we get to see the button new comment. So if you want to add a comment, then we should click this button, new comment, and when we click on this button, this option will come that we can add a comment here. If we prefer generally short and sweet comment, but if the comment is big, short and sweet. If the comment is short, then we can just type here where you see new page. You can type the comment and save, or else we can give title here and we can add notes beneath like that. So then we can add PMIs. So similar to comments, we can click on the PMI. It opens up all this view. Then when we click on the new PMI, this window appears. So then we can write what is positive or negative about this proposal. Next, we have to mark whether this is a positive, negative, or interest in PMI. So for that, we need to click on this empty characteristic. So below the characteristic, this is empty characteristic. So we have to click on this empty. When we click on this empty, we get to see these three options. So we have to characterize this PMI as whether it is positive, minus, or interesting. So once we select one of these, so like this, in this case, positive about this proposal. So I should select the positive. Once I select that, it will be marked as a positive PMI. So after PMIs, all the deputies who are discussing and working on a particular proposal, they put their plus points, minus points, interesting points, and then all the deputies come together and discuss. Generally, we divide in different teams to discuss different proposals, and finally, all of us come together as an entire deputy team, and one by one proposals are presented. And after the during the presentations, again we get to see different points or views, and that may be added. And later on, we also filter and summarize all the comments and PMIs if there are repeats, so that GBC, don't have to go through repeated comments. So we have to summarize it. So after that, what we do is we go for voting. So the stage of the proposal should be set to deputy PMI vote in order to enable the deputy voting. This will be done by the administrator who start the deputy voting process. So we have seen comments, PMIs, and if you go down, there is a voting option also. If you click on the voting, this view will come. So some voting had happened already. So we can see the result below, but these are the three options to vote. One is in favor. When you click on it, it shows confirm. And then when you confirm, your vote is assigned, or opposed or undecided. Undecided in the case, yes, as it says, if you don't want to vote on a particular proposal, or you are not clear about the proposal, then you may vote undecided. So after the deputy voting, result of deputy voting will be seen like in graphical depiction as seen here. Opposed is 2 and in favor is 18. And also there are one abstain vote here. So this 18 is green, 2 opposed is red, and 1 abstain is gray. So this is also presented to GBC to see what the deputies think about a particular proposal. So after that, the GBCs discuss amongst themselves, do straw votes first, and then do final voting, and that is how the proposal is passed or rejected. This is in summary the presentation in a pictorial form. So I can now give the actual how it is done in Notion. So any questions till now?
Can
Yes,
you
Asitara
just give a brief join late? If you can give a small brief.
Your voice is not clear, Prabhu.
How to can you just give a brief of what we have discussed till now? I joined late.
Oh yes, sure,
If possible.
sure, Mark. We welcome you this presentation. So I'll just quickly share the presentation. Maharaj, you are able to see this screen? Hare Krishna.
Yeah, we are able to see, Prabhu. Yeah.
Bhakti Padma Maharaj, are you able to see? What do we do? Shri Narayan Prabhu, what should I do?
Let you continue, Birbal. When
Start.
Maharaj comes back, I think then we can. No issue.
Okay. So for most of us, it is like a revision.
Maybe you can take
So
one.
I have also done some screen.
Yes, Prabhu. Maybe you can
Pardon?
take one proposal and then just walk through how to do. That is also.
So what you want to do?
No, no,
Visit
you
a
continue. Sorry, Prabhu.
proposal
You
or what?
continue. You continue your. Sorry.
Yeah. So yeah. So this is the mobile view. I have done screen recording. So generally, when somebody logs in, he gets to see this. He needs to switch from his view to it's a little fast. We have to switch workspace from our own workspace to Anirudh Prabhu's workspace. So this is the initial view. So then click on the case, switch workspace. Then you get to see Anirudh Prabhu's workspace. And then when you select, you get to see the GBC databases. When you click down, you see GBC proposals. On clicking GBC proposals, you get to see these proposals. In mobile view, the open button is always there. So you go to a particular proposal. In this case, I am going to a test proposal, test page, and then click on open. It will open this test proposal. So we read the proposal, go through the whereas and the resolution, and then we go to the comments section. Again, we read the proposal, go down, go to the comments section. Click on the new comment. And then add a comment. This is a test comment. Then we go to the PMIs and add new PMI. So it can be any good point or negative which we see in the proposal. This is the sample positive of this proposal. And then we have to characterize this as positive. So now we can see characteristic is positive. After the PMIs, we discuss together and then we go for the voting. So we can see this at the bottom. This is a sample positive and it is marked as positive. Next, what we do is go for voting. So there are three options again here: in favor, opposed, undecided. This is how we do voting. So any questions or comments?
Hare Krishna, Babu. Hare Krishna.
Yes, Devaki Prabhu.
Hare Krishna. Yeah, the links you sent us on WhatsApp, both the links are saying page not found.
Oh,
If open on mobile.
let me try to send the workspace again, Prabhu. So I just pasted the GBC workspace link again. Can you try? Yeah, meanwhile, Asif Prabhu, you have.
Prabhu, Aniruddha Prabhu has signed the link.
Prabhu, the same old link only, Prabhu. There's no change in the link, Prabhu.
There is no change in the link. So do I need to go back to the previous email?
Yeah, you can go to the previous email, or since you have already logged in, you should be able to see his workspace directly. There's no change in the.
So how do we do that? I already logged in.
So
Getting setting up.
yeah, Chaitanya Prabhu, Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu, can you go to the mobile, the first screen where they will see the three lines. Yeah.
Okay. So in the beginning, how to
Yes,
open
yes,
it?
yeah, how to open, correct.
So if you see, if you are getting to see this view, so then you see that K on the top, then switch workspace, you get to see Aniruddha Prabhu's workspace. When you select that, this will come. So repeating again. Switch workspace, then select Aniruddha Prabhu's workspace, and then you get to see this GBC database.
Prabhu, I still get membership request has been sent, but I'm not able to basically get the screen that you're talking about.
Prabhu, the other option is I just pasted the link directly, the workspace link in your in the mobile WhatsApp. Can you try opening that? I mean, it should open.
Sure.
Hare Krishna, Babu.
Yes, Prabhu.
I'm still getting page not found when I click on that link you send on WhatsApp again.
Oh, okay. Give me 1 second.
Shinarayan Prabhu, same thing. Back page not found. Same thing.
When I click on the link, I get to see the page. I'm able to see the page by clicking on the link sent by Srinarayan Prabhu.
Just give me 1 second. Let me.
The page means the GBC proposals, correct, Prabhu?
Yes, yes, Prabhu.
Okay.
Yes.
So does it mean that we are in the workspace?
Yes. You are in the workspace.
Okay. And on the top of that, I'm seeing membership requested while you wait for approval. Explore your own work space. What does that mean?
But are you able to see GBC proposals and all those
Yes.
proposals? Some are,
Yes.
then you're good, I think.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
I have the same problem. I also on my laptop I see.
Devaki Prabhu, can you click on the link that I shared in the group chat now? Sorry, in the Zoom chat now. Yugadhar Prabhu also. The group chat, sorry, in this Zoom chat, I've just pasted the group link. Yugadhar Prabhu, can you try again? I've just posted the link again, the GBC database link.
Nothing. Page not found.
Very interesting. Well, okay.
Yeah, because I need to go to Aniruddha's place.
Yes.
Works.
No,
Please
you're able to see
send
the
me the
other.
link because I left his workspace because I think maybe I come again.
Okay,
with me.
let me share his workspace. Give me 1 second.
Yeah, share first. Yes,
Yeah,
his workspace
yeah.
because I left his workspace.
Okay. No, but when you come back again, it'll automatically, because you're already there in the group. You
Yeah.
are. Yeah. Let me mention.
Is my screen visible now?
Yes, Prabhu, visible.
Srinarayan Prabhu, my screen is visible now?
Yes, visible, visible.
Yes, so generally when we log on to the laptop, this is what I see. So on the top left, I can see my name, Krishna Chaitanya Das. So when I click on that, and if I go down, I see here Aniruddha Das's workspace. So I need to select this in order to go to his workspace. So when I select that, I get to see this GBC database, GBC proposals.
Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu, I didn't see
I need to select
Aniruddha's
this
workspace.
presentation view. I need to select this presentation view. So then I get to see this proposals. So initially it is like this. So I need to click on my profile name, go down. If I am approved and invited by anybody, their workspaces will be seen here. And because I'm already invited and approved by Anirudh Prabhu, I can see his workspace here, accessing. I have to click and I get to see his workspace. So this is how it should work for everybody.
Now, for Yoga Prabhu, it is unique. I think Devaki Prabhu should be able to see now. I'm just wondering why Yoga Prabhu is not able to see the GBC portion.
But Yugadhar Prabhu's case, he is able to see other things, but not like in earlier instance, he
No,
was
no,
not
no.
able to see proposals. But
I
this he
didn't
was
see
able to
nothing. Now I didn't see nothing because I left his space, Aniruddha's Prabhu space, and now I share with.
Oh. I think since you have left, I'm just checking whether the name
Look,
is.
I just only have my space,
Mhm.
not Aniruddha's Prabhu workspace.
So that's what I showed you just now.
Yeah,
If you
therefore
click on your name,
I need link to come first and after I can see. Therefore, when I using the link, which Narayan Prabhu sent, nothing opened, nothing opened.
maybe we need to take it separately. Shriran Prabhu,
Yeah,
this
yeah,
case, Yugadhar
we'll do
Prabhu's
it.
thing.
Yeah, okay.
Hare Krishna. When I go into Notion,
Yes, Prabhu.
I can go into my space. I can see Anirudh Prabhu's space. When I click on it, and then it says Anirudh Das space and guest. I click on that. I see
Yes,
GBC database. When I click on the GBC database and there's a drop down, nothing comes up. It says people committee voting members but no proposals.
Yes. So then we have to see. Devkinandru, you are logged on laptop. You are seeing like this.
Yes, I'm seeing like that. Yes.
So then click on this.
Yeah. No, I don't see anything
You will
when I
get
click
to
on
see the view like this.
The filter condition has to be removed completely.
And then if you click
it.
on
No.
more,
Yeah.
you get to see this presentation view. When you click on that, we get the view which you work on.
Yeah, or else the full table view also.
We have to select the presentation view, this one. Expand GBC and select this presentation view. And we are able to see all the proposals.
Sorry, yeah, I get this page, but when I drop down GBC proposals, I only see the same page. I don't see anything else. When you drop down, you had a whole different.
I think his issue is also similar to Yugavdar Prabhu's issue.
Can you try removing the filter? There is something called as remove all filters.
Where do I remove the filter?
1 second, 1 second. Full table.
Yeah, I don't see this at all.
Full table, do not filter. Okay, then I will just check that. Okay. And then fine, no problem. Prabhu, we'll connect with you offline. You go the Prabhu, I will get Anirudh Prabhu to regenerate the link for you. Then he will be able to send the link again.
Hare Krishna.
Shivas Prabhu Dandavat Pranams. Maharaj.
Hare Krishna Danava Pranams.
Pranams.
Dandavat Pranam, Prabhu.
Jai. Hare Krishna. Srinarayan Prabhu, I think you were explaining how to input into the proposals.
Yes, Prabhu. Krishna Chandra Prabhu was giving the step-by-step guidance of how to input this one. You are able to go into the GBC database. You are able to go into
Yes, I have the GBC proposals presentation view with me right now.
Okay, yeah.
But I think I missed how to go into the input into the proposals.
Krishna Chandra Prabhu, can you show him again? Tell him again. Krishna Chandra Prabhu, just guide Prabhu again. Can you show the screen again? Show him. You had the video, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Mobile view, right?
Yes. Prabhu, you are in laptop or mobile?
I'm in laptop. I'm using the laptop for the Zoom, and I'm using the mobile for accessing the Notion.
Okay. Can you see the screen? He will just show you. He has just a small video presentation. He will just run it through. Yes. Okay, good.
This is what you're seeing, Prabhu, right?
Yeah, I'm seeing GBC proposal. Yes.
Yes. So if you want to practice, actually, you can go down, scroll down, and select the test page, which was created for this purpose of practicing how to put comments.
So where is that text?
So go down.
I go down. I've seen the N is a chosen successor. No, I think these are still part of the proposals. So
I think it's B2600.
Me 2600. Me 2600. Okay, so I should click on B2600.
Yeah, if you open it, then there you can, practice putting comments, PMIs.
Okay. 2601, 2600. Okay. Test page. I've seen.
Yes, that is a test proposal which was created for this purpose, wherein deputies can go in, get used to it, put comments. If you go down, you will see comments. Click on comments, then you can add comments.
Unfortunately, I'm clicking on it isn't opening. Isn't opening.
Sometimes it takes time from you. Sometimes
Oh,
it, yeah. For me also, you can see it took some time to open.
okay. Now it opens. It opens.
Yeah, now it opens. Yes.
This is a sample presentation, whereas, okay.
Yes. So in the video, you can see I'm entering a test comment. This should be visible to you in that where you are seeing in your mobile, because I have already put this.
This is a test comment. It's a test comment. Okay, I've seen comments, PMIs, voting, and files.
Correct. So after comments, we go to PMIs.
Yeah. So I click on the
And then
PMIs.
yes. So you can see in the video how it is being done. First, we have to enter our PMI, then characterize it as positive or negative.
Yeah,
So I'm
okay.
entering here this.
Yeah. Positive, and then notion.
Yes,
Right.
correct. This is a
So
some positive
okay, it's an add comment. Add comment.
of this proposal.
Okay, and this.
No, this is PMI.
This is a PMI.
Then once I write it, I have to characterize it as positive, minus, or so I've chosen it
Okay.
as
Okay.
positive,
Okay. Once you write a comment, then you
like that.
click on positive or negative or interesting.
Yeah. Yes.
Then you go
Yes.
under each of
Comment we
those.
just add in case of, yeah.
Okay.
There is a characterize, then there is an empty thing. You click on the empty, you get the drop down.
MP.
Then you go for voting, like that. It's clear, Srivas Prabhu?
Yeah, I think I can follow. Once I get into the
Yes.
proposals, then I click on any of the proposals, then I go to
Yes.
the PMI, then I click on comments, then after I finish my comment, then I click on positive, negative, or interesting.
Yes.
Then it goes under each of these categories.
Yes.
And the voting is what I'm not able to see, the voting. So after that, where do you find the voting?
Below the PMI is voting.
I see below. Okay.
If you scroll down,
Oh.
Fine. Prabhu, I think in the interest of time, um, we'll close
I think
this section. Okay,
Prabhu
Prabhu,
has one question.
Yeah.
Hare Krishna Prabhu, Dandat Pranam. Thank you for a wonderful training session. My actually point
Dandat
is,
Pranam.
when the links were sent at 3 different spaces, one in WhatsApp deputies group, another was on the chat. When I click on all the links, I come to, it just opens in Notion the GBC proposal space. Does that mean I'm in Aniruddha Prabhu's workspace?
Yes, you're right. It's the
Okay,
same.
all right.
Yeah.
All right, thanks.
Okay. I think we can close this session now. Yugavatar,
Okay.
I think he has dropped off. Maybe we can connect him. Thank you, Prabhu. We will connect with you later and see how
Okay.
to sort it out. Shivas Prabhu, that's it, Prabhu. Actually, all that we need is just you're able to log in, you're able to see the proposals, you're able to see the comments, and then you're able to feed the pointers. That is what is our intention for today.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Jai Shri
Right.
Ram.
My problem as well, we'll do offline
Yes, Prabhu. We'll do offline. Yes.
after this or later?
Little later. Can I connect little later, Prabhu? Is it okay?
Okay, so you'll just WhatsApp me and then we can
Yes, I'll
take it
WhatsApp.
from.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Thanks.
Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Gaudiya Prabhu, maybe I'll stop the recording. Then we can